So folks, today we're going to take a look at the Liqui Moly Speed Tec gasoline additive. And this is one of my favorite additives I always enjoy using. And its primary ingredient is naphtha. And what it helps the gasoline do is when it's injected into the combustion chamber of the motor, it reduces the size of the gasoline droplets, thereby improving the surface area that's available to be burned and burned quickly. And as a result, it helps with acceleration and kind of the pep of the engine. So anytime that I want to do like a track day or some spirited driving, or if I just want to pep my motor up a little bit, just add this into the gasoline tank and away we go. So I'll show you how to use it. Pretty simple. Now, one of the nice things with Liqui Moly is they do give you a little funnel here for the end that you just simply screw on the top, so that makes it pretty nice. This will treat about 7 to 20 gallons of gasoline, and pretty simple. Just pour it into the tank. And that is it. And we'll just let it do its thing and get out there and enjoy driving. Hope you all enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.